This is a big pyramid in the desert. Look at the explorer man standing outside. He wants to go inside to find the treasure. It is very dark inside the pyramid door. The man turns on his flashlight. He walks carefully into the deep darkness. What is that? The flashlight shines on something beautiful. It is a magnificent gold coffin hidden in the room. The man is very excited. He rests his flashlight on a stone ledge. He uses both hands to push the heavy gold lid to the side. Inside the coffin lies an ancient mummy. Look at its chest. There is a massive glowing red jewel. The man greedily pulls the jewel off the wrapped mummy. Oh no! The mummy's ancient eyes suddenly snap open. Its eyes are glowing with a terrifying yellow light. The mummy is furious. The tattered mummy stands up and steps out of the gold coffin. The explorer stumbles back in shock. He drops his flashlight on the stone floor. He's terrified. A mummy! The man sprints down the long corridor in panic. He clutches the red jewel tight to his chest. Far behind him, the mummy pursues him through the dark corridor. The mummy is very close now. It lunges forward with tattered arms to grab him. The man looks back over his shoulder in absolute horror. Look, the exit door. The explorer man bursts out into the dazzling desert. The mummy stops dead at the shadow line, shielding its glowing eyes from the hot sun. The man has escaped. Woo! He is now safe, and he still has the red jewel in his hand. He's made it. What a legend. Go, explorer man. Go. No mummy is going to stop you. Did you enjoy the video? Now for today's question. What colour were the mummy's eyes? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah. Woo.